a world leader in welding and cutting machine manufacturing. Shanghai Hugong Electric Group. Since its beginning in 1958, Hugong has built a strong reputation for quality welding equipment and is focused on driving innovation and product development from core technology. The sales network has expanded into 108 countries and has been China's #1 exporter of welding and cutting machines since 2013. Automotive manufacturing, offshore oil and gas operations, power generation, shipbuilding, military, pipeline, steel construction, bridge building, pressure vessel fabrication, general industrial manufacturing, etc. Experienced and professional team. More than 160 engineers work in an advanced lab dedicated to R&D. Hugong applies great emphasis to product development and working with sustainable resources. Superior technical innovation has resulted in world-leading products and hundreds of patents being registered every year. All new products are designed and produced to pass stringent global electrical safety and reliability standards. All products undergo through testing in its CSA and TUV certified lab. This includes LVD, EMC, PFC, IP, temperature and longevity testing. High-speed camera monitoring of live welding is also undertaken during testing. All the products are approved by CE, GS, ROS, REACH, SAA, CSA, and CCC. Shanghai Hugong Electric Group